Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the all-new Jersey Fusion All Sport Series 3. So we just want to show you the Jersey Fusion Series 2 kind of flyer with some of the cool cards that you can pull. This year, get that glare off of there for you. This year they've added floor fusions in Series 2. So you can see like a triple floor fusion there of Kevin McHale. We got a quad of John Stockton. Some of the, the better players that you can pull. There's Julius Erving. And you have Jerry West. Then down here, there's some of the newer players, like we have Mike Trout, double patch, Arnold Palmer. We have Dale Earnhardt Jr., Brett Favre. Look at the Jalen Hurts quad. That's a really nice looking card. Prism card there. Anthony Hardaway, Mario Lemieux, Serena Williams for tennis. So this is covers football, baseball, basketball, hockey, soccer, golf, and racing. So there's just a lot of things that you can pull. We're going to open one up and show you. You're going to get the premium fusion cards are going to be 4 to 6, and a lot of those you'll see are numbered. So we'll go through our case and show you. So that's just kind of an advertisement we wanted to show you. And the next thing is they're doing a promotion within the baseball cards. A lot of value this year. They really added a lot in these, which is great. They're doing a fantasy baseball program. So we'll talk about that a little bit just to show you once you open it, you're not done. You can still get more cards for free if you pull the right fantasy fusion. So you can get free packs. They will send them to you. Every game is a chance for more. So when your player on your card hits either a home run, if it's a pitcher, does a strikeout, they strike out 10 batters, or assists in a triple play, you're going to get a free box of Jersey Fusion by having that card. You're going to send them a picture, post that picture on Facebook, and yeah, you can get a free pack sent to you. So really amazing promotion. It's almost unbelievable. No one does anything like this. So when your player hits a grand slam, hits for the cycle, or pitches a perfect game or no-hitter, you get a free 10-box display. So the entire case, this $400 box, they're going to send you this for free. Just by buying this product, collecting those cards, saving them, and following along with baseball. So not only do you get to watch baseball games, which is awesome, and get free stuff for buying sports cards. No one's doing this, not Panini, not Topps. This is a Jersey Fusion exclusive. So we have all the rules here on the back, exactly how that works. That's in the video. You can pause and read that, but buy one of these on sportszonetoyscomics.com. We'll ship it out to you today, and then you can follow along for the Fantasy Fusion Baseball. This is also a program that they did for football, so hopefully that'll continue for next football season. This is the display. Look for the floor fusions. It's going to be an authentic trading card and a game used swatch. And what's really cool, unlike most now hits that you get from Topps or Panini, they're not game used. These are true game used cards. You scan your QR code and it will take you right to the actual game, the jersey that you got a piece of, and it'll tell you what game it was worn and used in. So that's really cool. Just taking that collectability to another level. And really nice magnetic case they come in. So our first one is a Sammy Sosa. Look at that, 3 of 5. And then you get a bonus card in there. So yeah, quad patch. They're in a new case. Last year they were in a one-touch with a seal. This year it's like an all-new case. So you can go ahead and scan your QR code and it'll take you right to what game these jersey pieces came from. So really cool idea. It's a really nice, it's a stout case. It's got some weight to it. Really nice. All right, so we'll set that one over here. We'll go through this whole case for you so you can see what you can expect to get in your box. You can see all the sports and what Jersey Fusion is offering. We're really happy to carry this product. Really creative new product. And we have it on our website and in store. So check us out. This is a Cooperstown card of Al Kaline, and that is a game used swatch. Well, we're 2 retired players. We need a current player. I want to play some Fantasy Fusion. We get a Mike Trout. Nice packaging here. I'm going to save these. I like these holders. Ooh, 2 of 99. So there's our second premium. That is a game used floor. Pistol Pete Maravich. All right. Basketball Hall of Fame. Well, we're getting some good players, so that's good. Ooh, Albert Pujols. He'll be a first ballot Hall of Famer. So we got, what, 3 baseball? Yeah, slide those over. 3 baseball, 1 basketball. This is pack 5 of 10. Who's it going to be? Whoa! Franco Harris. We certainly won't have a problem selling that in our store. Wow. Got a lot of Steelers fans here in Pennsylvania. If you're in the area, we are in Sunbury, Pennsylvania. We're open every day but Sunday and Monday. Next one up. Ooh, Terrell Davis, Football Hall of Famer. 9 of 10. Look at, now that's a used jersey if I've ever seen. Oh, let's read on the back. You know how Panini puts it's not from any particular. This is a 2022 Jersey Fusion. Includes material from a jersey worn July 31st, 2001 by the player depicted on an original trading card. Yeah, so this is game used jersey from 2001, July 31st. So I like that. You know when it's actually used. You know what game. You can see if he scored a touchdown in that game, or you know what happened in that game. Let's check out Franco. So this one, some of them have sleeves, like a soft sleeve. This one doesn't. A jersey worn in 1977. Wow. What's it say on a floor? Because we didn't check that. This one's in a sleeve too. Okay, this includes floor from the Memorial Auditorium, used from 1970 to 1978. Yeah, so they're really specific. Not messing around. This one isn't in the sleeve. Uniform, 2007. Cool. Yeah, so they're going to tell you the exact game that was in. I like that. You're really collecting memorabilia instead of just a random, may have been worn or not. Sometimes of a different player. This is, whoa, no way. Michael Jordan, 19 of 25 triple patch. Wow. People love collecting Jordan. Let's see. This Jersey Fusion includes material from a uniform worn in the 1987-88 season. Cool. So yeah, Jordan, 19 of 25. You can see we're getting a pretty good mix We got 2 football, 2 basketball, 3 baseball. So we're getting a good mix of sports here. Can't go wrong with Jordan. Ooh. Nolan Ryan, Tom Seaver, 25/25. Now, would this be Nolan Ryan or Tom Seaver? Maybe it's one of both. I don't. Let's see. Oh, feet worn from the players featured on the. Yeah, so we got a Nolan Ryan, Tom Seaver duel. Very cool. 25/25. Gotta love that. Next one up, Thurman Thomas. Let's see if Thurman, pretty sure they're, if you go the QR code, you can go right to the jersey. It'll take you right there. 1995, Thurman Thomas game worn. All right, so we got 1 fusion left. We want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We will have these available today on SportsZoneToysComics.com. You can pick one up there. You can buy it by the box or the pack. Last one, Kyrie Irving, 34/50. So they said, what, 6 premiums? So we got numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6. 6 out of the 10 were serial numbered. So really cool. Good break. This is our Jersey Fusion All Sports Series 2. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.